If you want to feather edges in Photoshop without ruining your original image, this is the best non-destructive method to use. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to soften your selection edges with a layer mask so you can keep full control and adjust the feathering later whenever you want. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your image in Photoshop and make a selection around the subject or area you want to keep. You can use any selection tool you prefer, like the Quick Selection tool, Object Selection tool, or even the Lasso tool, depending on the shape of your subject. The important part is to make your selection as clean as possible before applying the mask. Once your selection is ready, look at the bottom of the Layers panel and click the Add Layer Mask icon. This is the small rectangle with a circle inside it. When you click it, Photoshop will hide everything outside your selection, and that creates a mask without deleting any pixels from the original image. Now, to feather the edges, go up to the menu and open the Properties panel. If you don't see it, just click Window, then choose Properties. In the Properties panel, you'll see the mask settings, including the feather slider. This is where the softening happens. Drag the feather slider slowly to the right and watch the edge of your selection become smoother and more natural. You can soften it just a little for a subtle blend, or increase it more if you want a stronger fade. The great thing about this method is that you're not permanently changing the image, you're only adjusting the mask. And if you decide later that the feather is too strong, you can simply come back to the Properties panel and lower the feather amount, or even reset it back to 0. That means you always have the flexibility to refine your edit without starting over. This is why the layer mask method is considered the best practice for feathering edges in Photoshop. It keeps your workflow clean, professional, and fully editable. It's perfect for portraits, product cutouts, composites, and any project where you want smooth transitions around the subject. If you want to take it one step further, zoom in and inspect the edge after applying the feather. Sometimes a small adjustment makes a huge difference in how realistic the result looks. The goal is to create a natural blend that fits the background and avoids harsh cutout lines. So to quickly recap, make your selection, add a layer mask, open Properties, and use the feather slider to soften the edge. That's the easiest and safest way to feather edges in Photoshop while keeping full control over your edit. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.